Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Sypha and Sypha's channel.
Yay!
Yeah, we're back indoors.
I told it.
Yeah, and today we have the Primal Attack Crylophosaurus and the Dino Tracker Dryptosaurus. Yep, we're gonna compare it to the new epic evolution MEGALOSAURus. Yeah, we're gonna unbox it. So yeah, let's check it out. Alright, let's check the box. So we already have all of these. We have the Hesperosaurus, this Acrocinatorsaurus, Crylophosaurus. We didn't make a review on this one yet. Maybe next time. Alright, let's unbox it. Let's check it out. Alright, I know it's been a while. And of course, all I have to say is thank you for the likes and subscriptions. For the non-stop support. Really appreciate that. Oh, wait, why is it? Okay. There we go. Now we're gonna bring out the tail. Okay. We get the tail out. So this Megalosaurus is a new species for Mattel. It doesn't have a variant yet. There you go. It has a unique pattern right there. Look at that. Nice tail. There's the DNA scan. So there's a... Oh, okay. Oh, wait. We forgot to pull this string out. Yeah. There we go. There's the sound. It has a nice face. The teeth made of rubber again. It's better. It's way better now. It doesn't fade. Nice color. Definitely no variants yet. Now we're gonna compare to the Dino Tracker Dryptosaurus. The Dryptosaurus came out like what, 2 years ago or a year ago? From Dino Trackers, he has spiky tail. Look at that, pretty unique. For some reason, I don't know why the leg is bent like this. It doesn't stand. Look at that, see? I don't know why. It's like a defect. It should be could be a factory defect.
No.
So yeah. Then we're gonna compare to the Primal Attack Crylophosaurus. This is classic now. This one's been out like 4 years now. The mouth is manual. You have to do it yourself. You shake the tail, it has sound. There you go. Yes, almost has the same body type. Yeah, same body. The Dryptosaurus a little skinnier. Yeah. So yeah, it's a nice... It goes to our collection. Nice dinosaur here. Has 3 fingers. Has a unique scales over there. You touch it, feels good. If you roll that thing here... so just the head and mouth though. The arms doesn't move. The arms does not move. Also, an update on the Ultimasaurus. It's pretty much done. I just have to paint it now. You guys are going to be blown away once it's done. It's going to be so awesome, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much for today. Oh, wow. Okay. So yeah, I'd like to say thank you again for the non-stop support, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you again. Say thanks, Sypha. Alright, that was Sypha right there, but Sypha's on the other side right now. Alright, thanks guys. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video, right? Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.